You don't have to invest a dime because this method is completely free and it works worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are, and it's incredibly simple to do too. The strategy that I'm about to share with you can make you hundreds of dollars online in passive income. I will show you through the entire process step by step for you to understand how this works and how you can set it all up. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our channel. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas to help you reach financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below or press the notification bell to be notified anytime we release a video. With all of that said, let's get started on this new technique. Today, guys, I have a pretty complicated plan that involves a lot of different platforms. So let's not waste any time and go straight to the first one, which, as you can see, is Instagram.com. First is to find a big Make Money Online page on Instagram like I have done here. The page doesn't have to have over 150,000 followers like this one, but it should have at least 50,000 followers. Next, you'll want to download at least 5 posts from the same page. To do this, find a few posts that you really like, open the first one, copy its URL, and then go to the site like igram.io, where you can download it for free by pasting the link into this box and clicking the download button. It's important to keep in mind that it doesn't really matter which site you use to download the post. They all work pretty much the same way and let you download the post in pretty much the same quality, so it doesn't really matter which software you use. And now that you have those posts, it's time to go to the next website you'll want to use today, which is called Omnilink.iconosquare.com. This website is a key part of the strategy, and if you've never heard of it before, Omnilink basically lets you create a landing page for free where you can share multiple links for free, so you wouldn't have to share each link separately. You'll soon see how this website will help you, but for now I need you to sign up for free by clicking sign up in the upper right corner. Then put all of your information like your email address and password in these boxes and log into your new account on the website. When you're done, everything will look like this. As you can see, the landing page will look pretty good, and you'll have these buttons that don't have links yet. Your next step is to find those links. That is why you should use affiliates.com. For those who don't know, affiliates.com is an affiliate marketplace where you can find offers to promote. What makes the site different from other affiliate marketplaces is that you can find offers that only require sign-ups. This makes the site perfect for beginners like you, since it doesn't take nearly as much work to get someone to sign up for free to the site as it does to get them to sign up for free to some other sites. And as many of you can guess, this is the website that will actually pay you today. As I said before, you will want to grab links or find something to promote, and you will want to make sure that what you promote is in the same segment as the Instagram page I showed you at the beginning. You want offers in the Make Money Online segment, and you can find them by typing gift card into the search bar here. And what I suggest is that you can grab a link from each of the things I just mentioned. For example, grab an affiliate link to a service site, a crypto site, and a giveaway. This would allow you to make a lot more money, since the chance of someone signing up for all 3 types of offers is much higher than the chance of someone signing up for just one type of offer. To get an affiliate link for any other, you need to first open it up. Then you need to find and click on Run this offer here. After that, you need to sign up on the external website that is running the offer and get your affiliate link from there. It's a pain to have to do this, but I promise it's worth it. Anyway, once you have those affiliate links, you want to do what I did here off camera. Make your landing page look like a page about making money online. Add a nice profile picture with money or something similar, then a good username below. Then you'll add your links to these buttons and also change the buttons to fit your needs. As you can see, my buttons say things like participate in $500 giveaway, make money online from surveys, and get paid in Bitcoin. This is the kind of landing page you want to make with your own affiliate links. If someone who wants to make money online comes to this landing page, they would want to click on not just one link but all of them, since they all involve different ways to make money online. This would get you more clicks and sign-ups. Once you've set up your landing page the way you want it, it's time for the most important step: getting traffic. Even though your landing page is now set up to get you a lot of clicks and sign-ups, you won't get either if you don't get people who want to make money online to click on your Omnilink URL. I'll show you how to do that now. Your first step will be to make a new Instagram account just like I did here. As you can probably guess, you want to make this account to be in the make money online niche, so add a nice profile picture, come up with a good username, and add those posts that you downloaded at the beginning to your Instagram page. Make sure to credit the same page in those posts as well so they don't get taken down for copyright. But before we proceed, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found the video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. The last thing you'll want to do is to put your Omnilink URL in your bio right here. When someone visits your page, they'll be able to click on it, and since your page is about making money online, you've already accomplished your main goal of getting people who want to make money online to click on your link. The only thing you need now are followers, and once you have them, you'll be able to make money online without doing anything. A good way that would take some time is to go to a popular Instagram page in your niche, like this one, and follow not only the followers, but also the people who like and comment on the post. This will put you in their notifications, and if those people follow a page in the same niche as yours and like and comment on posts, there's a good chance you'll be followed back. Even though most people won't follow you back, it's important to remember that you don't need most of them to. You can easily follow hundreds of people in about 30 minutes, and if you do this for days, you'll end up following thousands of people. If you follow like 5,000 people in a few days and just 500 or 10% of them follow you back, you already have 500 followers, and your follower count will continue to grow. After a while, when your page grows even more, you'll start making money online. As I said before, it will be pure passive income, and neither skills nor experience is required. So, what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you've enjoyed the video and would like to see more, please click the like button below. If you're interested in learning more about how to earn money online, feel free to watch our other videos. Since I post new videos every day, you should subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified whenever a new one is available. As always, I appreciate your time and I hope to see you in our future videos.